double shot, 1.5 ounces of Patron.
Okie dokie.
All right, I'm not gonna put that away. An ounce of Creme de Cacao. An ounce of creme. I know it's not cream, but
We're experimenting.
Experimenting.
Experiments.
The last time we made a drink out of this book, things went badly. So, or I think things went poorly.
Here we are, ready to try again.
It's properly shaken.
I think so. It's not stirred.
Babe. Tequila is the worst. I'm gonna use a clean spoon and just...
That's how I feel about bourbon.
Can I put a cherry in this?
Sure. Why?
I don't know. I want something different.
You do, but I'm drinking it.
Yeah, but you can always take the cherry out. It's just a cherry. Artistic.
Baby, you can't even see the damn cherry. This is designed to kill me. What? That smells awful.
I know. I told you the book is bad.
Oh, that smells horrible. Oh, God, I don't even want to try it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, here we go.
It's not as bad as it smells. It smells worse than it is.
Okay, have you ever had Tequila Rose?
No, but I have a bottle underneath.
Okay, so Tequila Rose is like a really creamy tequila. It's got that consistency. It doesn't have the same taste, but it has that consistency.
Yeah.
And then it's got that sweet from the cocoa.
I didn't even taste the chocolate.
It's actually, no, they kind of like meld together.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not something that I would be like, oh, I gotta order this at the bar, but.
So you were doubting the cherry, but the cherry finished it off nicely. Yeah.
Sure.